Hi, this is Dan from Pool and Spa, and today we're going to talk about how to replace a pool water leveler. So unfortunately, people don't like it when their pools leak, but even if it's just due to evaporation, all pools are going to leak some water. Now, the way most people solve this is by just using a garden hose. The problem with just using a garden hose is you always have to remember, check the pool to see if the water has gone down, put the hose in the pool, and then hopefully you remember to turn it off because you don't want the pool to overflow. What they've invented, though, to keep that from happening is a number of different items that can be set up to actually keep the pool water level in your pool at the same height. Some of the newer pools actually have something like this, which kind of looks like what you would find in your toilet. They all basically work the same. This is just a float, and it goes up and down, and it's connected to a water valve. So you can set it to how high you want the pool water to be, and then if it ever goes below that, it'll kick the water on. These are usually installed inside of a pool skimmer. This is not really something that you're going to want to retrofit after the fact. So what they've come up with is they've come up with these, which are pool water levelers that you can hook up to any swimming pool. And what you do to put it in is you just take it and you put it over the end of your swimming pool like that. And then you take your hose and you simply screw it into the leveler. And then what you do is you take the top and you put it right on top here. And then you have your hose, which is attached to the leveler in the pool. And then the other thing you can do is, see, there's a knob right here. And what you want to do is you screw this knob in to set up exactly how high the pool is. So when the pool water goes down past your set point, it kicks your hose on and the pool fills up. So this is Dan from Pool and Spa, and we hope that you just enjoyed that video about how to replace a pool water leveler.